Today is April 23rd, 2022, and I'm gonna try to restore my Serpentina doll, Begoths doll. I haven't found very much information, but just enough on how to try and fix the yellowing, which isn't really coming up on camera, but she is quite yellow. Almost looks like smoke, but apparently a certain series of Begoths dolls, which includes Serpentina, have a problem with the plastic yellowing or deteriorating. So I have peroxide, which is only 3% actually, so I don't know how good it is for this, because I think the one that was used was 12%. Has some Q-tips. I also am gonna get some water and some cling wrap so I can cover anything that doesn't want to be touched by the peroxide. So we'll see how this goes and restore this beautiful doll. I've already combed her hair, but I just love her. Anyway, let's go along for the journey. I am just wiping her down with a Q-tip and some water. No soap or anything yet, just water and getting any weird residue off her face. And then we'll continue and clean her up after again when she's done getting her peroxide bath. But for now, just some water, just to take off anything grubby. Well, here's the back side. You can see she's quite yellow. Quite yellow. I've scrubbed her down a little, just with some water. There's the back of her head. And I'm probably gonna do the sun bleaching on the back first, just to see how I feel. And then we're gonna continue from there. I'm just wiping her face with some peroxide and trying not to get it on her makeup, even though I don't think it'll do anything to her makeup, but I just don't want it to if it does. So yeah, I'm just doing the back of her head first and testing it, and then I'm gonna be doing the front, which will be coming up in a couple clips. This is the second day, and I washed her clothes and her hair, and it's beautiful. And her yellowing, I think it's kind of lifting, but still definitely needs work, so I'm not sure. I'll have to watch the video back. But I thought that this kind of turned out kind of grayish because I did put warm water on it accidentally a little bit, but after drying it looks a little better, so it might be fine. And I still have her shoes. They're, funnily enough, one is slightly taller, but that's okay. So I'm gonna put her hair back up again, and a hair tie and some saran wrap. And then I'm gonna set her outside again because it was rainy and dark the other day after 4 hours of sitting. Okay, we'll see how this goes. This is what she's looking like, and we're gonna put her out now. Oh my god, she's beautiful. I wish I would have taken more videos of her yellowing face. Maybe I have pictures, but she came out so good. I'm so in love. I'm just so overjoyed. And I put her dress back on her and her cape. I also forgot to mention that she does have little drawstrings for her little cape. And I just love her. I love her to pieces. And this is how she came out. She looked like the color of piss before, and now she looks like snow. She's beautiful.